I hope everyone's good and had a good few weeks. It's been a while since we've uploaded something about the Vario, so I thought I'd just show you exactly what I've been doing. I ain't recorded much again. I keep forgetting. I come down here, start tearing things apart, or I start one job and it's just I forget to record it. So the next part I am going to record, because I'm going to write it on the wall in the van, put camera on. So what I'll do is I'll show you exactly what I've been doing and how far we've got with this bus. So, ignore that big pile. I'll show you that in a minute. So, we've stripped both sides off at the bottom. This is not attached either. It's just there out the way, because I don't want to get it creased up. So, I have cut a lot of these legs out. Oh God. A lot of these legs I've cut out and welded new ones in, so they're all strong as oak. Every single one of them. They don't need to be very strong, but they are strong. I don't know if you're going to be able to see these, but these beams here, I've replaced all of them. They're all brand new, welded all new ones in place all the way down. Them bits are I think they were about at it. But the new ones I've put in, that's, what's that, 40 by 10 mil or something, 20 mil. And I've replaced it with, a bit dark down this end, this stuff. It's 2 mil thick and it's 40 by 40 box section galvanised. So I don't think we're going to have a problem with them ever going again. So it's too dark in here, but I had to cut all this out and I've replaced it all. I've rejigged it all. This was gone, so I've put a new sheet in, welded it all in place and done some bits and bobs to the steps, reinforced it with 60 mil box section, so we're not going to have a problem with that. All this inner arch here was gone, so I cut it all out and I've welded all new in. Not that you can see it. So anyway, oh yeah, we've missed all that as well. I've took all the front end apart, all the lights and grill. It's all gone. I've cleaned all the front of this up and painted it all black. So yeah, that's that. And while I was waiting for stuff, I decided to start sanding. So the bonnet's been done, the wing's been done, the complete side on this one, on this side, has all been sanded. I've still got the top to do, all over. I haven't sanded the other side yet. I've only been working on that today, so that's not sanded. I've took these little side windows out. That's going to have to come out, that windscreen, and get replaced because it's got a nice big chip there. I say chip, it's more like a rock hole. So, and that pile of scrap down there that you seen at the start, I'll show you exactly what that's from. Me and my squeaky trainers. Right, bear with me in case I break my neck. So, the complete rear was gone. There was a couple of bits good, a couple of bits bad, and then the top just real bad. So I've just cut it all out. I've cut the lot out, and I've used the same 40mm box section to strengthen all the back up. So I've welded a support in there, same the other side, and then welded the frame in for that bit at the minute. And that's how rotten it was. It was, well, it's gone. So the next thing on my list is, you ain't gonna be able to see it 'cause it's too dark, but down there, that's still some of the old frame coming up here. That's all coming out. I'm cutting the lot out. That's all getting cut out. And I'm going to do exactly the same as what I've done here. I'm going to put strengtheners right down in the corners, all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to re-weld a new one in all the way across the bottom. And the same up that side. And then I am going to weld from the bottom up in line with that bar there. And the same on that side, up from there, all the way up to there. So that'll strengthen that. And then I'm going to put another maybe 2 bars in the middle of there to strengthen that up. So that'll be strengthened. And exactly the same in the bottom, I think. Not sure yet whether I'm going to put a door in here from the back to get under the bed. So that'll be my garage. But yeah, this is about as far as we've got. All the chassis done. Well, I say this, I've took the inner wheel arches out now, so I've got to clean all that up that I couldn't see before because it was covered. So that's got to be done. And then after that, it's moving on to putting the sides back on at the bottom, gobbing all these on, all these outer sheets, so they're all solid. And then it's me getting up on the roof. And that, I'll show you why I need to be up on the roof. Not just to sand it, but... Squeaky shoes again. That is the reason why. I need to get up there, clean all that up, reseal it. There's one there, there's another one there that I need to seal, and there's one at the very back there somewhere that also needs to be resealed. Because I don't want any water getting in this. And the people before have just bodged the arse out of everything. That is a join from fiberglass to aluminium, and literally all they've done is they've just put a strip down and pop riveted the shit out of that. Bearing in mind there was no sealant on that. That was just that. So that was letting water in. And also, where that crack is, it was letting water in, which was running down that beam there, and then running down this beam here, and, well, let's just say I've got a lot of cleaning up to do, and if it needs replacing, I'm going to cut it out and put brand new in. Can't believe it. Elise said, get a Vario, more room, it's going to be fun. But I'll tell you now, it's not being fun. It's a lot bigger job than what I thought it would be. I've never done anything like this before, not replacing the amount that needs doing on this. Before you can even do anything else, I'm dying to get into the build. I want to get this thing painted and I want to get onto the build. Because this is going to be something special, this one. Definitely. So, that's about all I've got really at the minute. I've got no footage at all to put in, just nothing at all. So this is only going to be a short video, and we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully the next one is going to have a lot more me doing things, because this was just welding and grinding, and nobody wants to see that because it's boring. So we've got the floor in, thank God. All brand new floor, all the chassis is undersealed, painted and undersealed, sorry. Frameworks in for us to board the back up. This hole here, I'm going to make a door for that, so that's going to be under the bed for access. So yeah, it's bodywork time now. Get the bodywork done, painted, windows back in, and then I think we're on to the build. As you can see, the entire side is, well, it's not there anymore. So what I've been doing is these legs, as you've seen before on, I think it was the last video, I've welded all new ones in. Same as these cross members, some of them were rotted out. That one there's an original one, it's not bad. I've cleaned it all up, I've got to treat the metal, and that one's good. As you can see, all the way down, I've replaced some. So the other side, I'll show you that. I've already stripped that down, redone it all and everything, and put the sheeting back on. So that's all back on, that's all solid now. Now it's got dirty fingerprints on it. Wow, my hands are that dirty. Anyway, right, so yeah, that side's done. Sheeting's all stuck back on. That's never coming back off again. So what I'll do is I'll take you around the other side and I'll show you the boo-boo. So, once the sheeting goes back on, this plate on the inside, it's solid, and I think I don't want to cut it out because I think it's to do with the structure, to strengthen all these beams up and I don't want to cut that out. But the sheet sits on these bars here. So when the sheet's on, this is inside the van. So I've got a 40mm gap that goes straight down, straight outside, which is not good. So I've got to clean all this up still, but I've just been and picked a load of 40mm box section up that I didn't think I'd need anymore because I've replaced all the back, that's all new. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of 40mm box section from the bottom of this, from this side, all the way along, weld it all up, and then seal it all with Sikaflex. And then I'll run a bead of Sikaflex across the front of the beam because it will be flush with this when I stick the side back on. So that then will be sealed from the inside, so I can just put insulation down inside it all the way up to the top. So that will all be insulated properly then, and I won't have no nasty drafts coming up, making us cold. So I'm going to crack on with that. Good help if I turn that on. Squeaky shoes. It's quite funny, we was taking the mick out of squeaky shoes in one of our last videos. Squeaky, squeaky. Before anyone says it, there's no health and safety here. Maybe a bit tight. So, I have to grind a bit of that off. Earthing point. So, on. Sit up there. Stuff. And no, I am not a professional welder. As you can tell. It's not going nowhere. So that's one, two, three, four, five, six on this side, 6 on the other side. But I've got to get underneath and weld from underneath on the other side. So I'm going to crack on with that. And cheers for watching that bit.